What's up, guys? Hey, it's Pastor Caleb here. Hey, today we're going to be talking about the game changer lesson and what that is and why it's different than the normal weeks. And side note, do you guys have any of these like random stuff like this that's just like always seems to hang around your ministry area? Obviously, I need this for all of my wonderful hair, but anyway, that's random ministry life. So, hey, let's talk about what the game changer things are and what makes them different than the rest of your ministry areas. Okay, so if you pull up your ministry grid, you log in. Here's what you're going to see, okay? We're working through the month of June. So if you are on a 5-week month, okay, so that means there's not just 4, there's 5 weeks in the month. The 5th week, they always do what's called a game changer. So you'll see this week, the 23rd is I'm made for relationship, and that's going to kind of wrap up the remarkable theme, okay? And then the game changer is going to still be in that same vein. So they're still talking about the unique ways that God made kids. However, the game changer is a gospel focus. So every time you have a 5-week month, they have a specific week at the very end where they literally lay out just a very clear gospel presentation using whatever theme that they've been talking about. So this month is God Made Me Special. So if you click in here, I'm just going to open up the regular leader guide. You'll see your theme verse, the Bible story, and you'll see that everything that they talk about is going to be designed, and you can really see it on Make the Connection right here, okay? You can see that like they're going to tie into our using our thumbprint and how God made me and designed us special, and how we're designed to be a part of his family, and how he sent Jesus to rescue us. So if you're wondering, hey, what's this game changer thing all about? Well, it's literally a clear gospel presentation. So that's a pretty cool thing that HyFi has done. And so if you're confused, you're like, well, if you're decorating, do I need to like completely redo all my decorations and everything? I don't. Although if you don't have any decorations, they kind of pitch this as like a game show type of thing. So every 5th Sunday that comes around, they do like big game show. We already kind of, the way that we do our kids' church, we format it in kind of like a game, team versus team format thing. So it doesn't really change anything for us. But if you're wondering, what's this game changer thing all about? There it is. It's a very clear gospel presentation using the theme that they've already kind of been working with, and it's game show theme. So hopefully that was helpful, and that kind of explains what it is if you're kind of looking at HyFi and trying to work through it. So I've got a bunch of other videos that talk about how to use the curriculum, some tips and tricks, and I'll keep rolling them out as long as you guys keep watching them, and maybe even if you don't. So hope you guys are doing well, and we will talk to you later.